Hey everyone, and welcome to another video tutorial from videocourse-center.com. In this class, we're going to learn how to turn a photo into a sketch. This is an amazing effect we can create in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, I'm going to show you how to remove a simple or solid background from your photos, but we have another great video tutorial about removing busy background from your photos. So if your background is complex, I highly recommend you to watch that video tutorial as well. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 4 different variations of the sketch effect. We'll start by turning the photo into a black and white sketch, and then we'll create 3 different colorized versions. First using the photo's original colors, then using a single color, and finally we'll colorize the sketch using a gradient effect. So if you like to turn your photos into a sketch, enroll now and I will see you in lesson 1. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.